How y'all doing? I'm Sean Clark, the Visionary, here with my GB.
I am Michelle Walker.
And this is Leo Love with Me and my boo boo. And this is a real quick segment. This is a viewer in need.
A viewer in need.
She emailed us and she had a question, and we need y'all help to help her. So here it is.
I am a single mother whose focus is on my family.
What? It's okay.
And household, and ask that. How do you allow someone who doesn't appear focused to remain in your surroundings when you want more? If you're dating someone and it's serious, what keeps you moving forward with the other person at a standstill, content? I feel like ditching. What is the point? That is a really, really, really good question. So if your person has no fight and you're fighting for more and they're content with where you are, what do you do? What do you do?
So leave your comments and we'll pass it on.
We'll pass it on.
Viewer in need. Leo Love with Me and my boo boo. I'm Sean Clark, the Visionary.
I'm Michelle Walker.
Peace.